What is Licht about? A complex question.
It's such an incredibly ambitious project. It's like moving a mountain.
He was an innovator, the first one to really make electronic music.
He actually created a new way of synthesizing sound.
Papa Techno. Without Stockhausen, we would not have the Beatles, Björk, Prince.
He is a giant, and I think the music is extraordinary. But what is Stockhausen trying to tell with this epic opera?
There was a big hole in his personality. He didn't love himself.
He was looking for completion.
As soon as I was his wife, he had another lover, and then another one.
He was not so much focused on being a father.
They all broke away from him.
This guy is lonely.
And I think with Licht he tried to heal his own complicated situation.
Light is his life. Light is Karl-Heinz.
I was approached to staging one of the most unique music theatre experiences that the composer has ever imagined.
Stockhausen put his entire trust in us to make sure this goes on in the right way.
But my role is to minimize it looking ridiculous.
It was never done entirely, so nobody knows what does it do when you sit through 29 hours.
Impossible.
Everything that would go on in him, he could put into this one work.